Okay, we now start with IELTS speaking part 1. Yeah.
Are you interested in clothes and fashion?
Yes, definitely. I love fashion and cloth because as a girl, I like fashion and I like to know how about what's the latest trend is running on market.
Okay, that's good. Nice start. Let's go on.
Do you have lot of nice clothes?
Yeah, as a girl, I have lot of nice clothes. My cabinet is full with variety of cloth according to different events
Okay.
and
So to answer your question, I've got a very nice collection of elegant clothes. Elegant is a good word here. Okay, and one more thing as you're answering, just try to express a little more, right? Yes.
Do you like to wear fashionable clothes?
yeah, definitely. I like to wear fashionable cloth, but most of time I wear a casual cloth that feel me comfortable.
Okay, this answer
So
is short.
comfortable
And one
is
more thing that you're saying, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know what does it mean? Aho, huh, huh. Yeah, so you should avoid it. Try to say yes. Yes is better than yeah. Yeah is informal. So it's sometimes it sounds rude. Yup. Yeah. All right. So you should avoid that. Say yes, that's better. Okay, one more question.
How often do you go for shopping for clothes?
most of time I like to go shopping with my mother. I think so in 2 to 3 time a
Yeah.
year. Whenever some functions are close, so this time I like to shopping clothes
Yeah.
with my
How
mother.
often means frequency. So, for
Like,
example, how often do you go for shopping for clothes? I love to go for shopping for clothes every month, especially in the beginning of the month when I receive my pocket money. I take my mom and I go to my favorite shopping mall, and there I do shopping like crazy. So, to answer your question, at least once a month, I usually go for shopping. See? So, you should just elaborate and come up with ideas, but it's better than before. Keep it up, okay? Thank you.